This is an aircraft and this is a bird, and they are not the same. Let me explain. A bird flaps its wings, an airplane doesn't. So, how does a heavy metal airplane fly? Inside every airplane wing is a secret shape. It is called an airfoil. An airfoil is the cross section of the wing. It is curved on top and flatter underneath, like a gentle hill. When the airplane moves forward, air splits at front of the wing. The air on top has to travel a longer, curvier path so it moves faster. The air below moves slower. The fast air creates low pressure. The slow air creates high pressure. That pressure difference pushes the wing up. That push is called lift. Birds use flapping to stay in the air. Airplanes use speed plus airfoil shape. And that was today's aviation fun fact. Hi everyone, my name is Sai Simran Verma and I'm your favorite aerospace engineer, and this is my series called Aerospace Simplified. Stick around because there is so much more to learn.